In this video we will learn how to install PyCharm on Windows 11. For that, first we will install Python, then we will install PyCharm. After that we will connect both Python and PyCharm, and in the end we will also run a sample Python program on PyCharm. So let us start with the first step. We will install the current Python version. First go to the web browser. On Google type Python and press enter. The official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. Here is the official website. Keep the mouse cursor on the downloads menu and the current version is visible. Click on it. The download started. We successfully downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. First select use admin privileges and also select add Python to path. Click customize installation. Optional features, keep it as it is. It will install pip. Pip is used to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. It will also install IDE. IDE is an integrated development environment to run Python programs. Rest keep as it is and click next. Now select install Python for all users. Rest keep as it is and Python will get installed in the following location. Click install. Installation started. Let's wait. Setup is successful. Click close. Now let us go to start. Type cmd. Click open. Here type python space hyphen version and press enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed Python. Guys, we successfully installed the current Python version. Now let us install PyCharm. Go to the web browser. On Google type PyCharm and press enter. The official website is visible. PyCharm is owned by JetBrains. Click on it. On clicking, directly click download. Here two versions are visible. The following is a paid version. For the free version, go below. Here it is. PyCharm Community Edition is free and open source. We want for Windows, so I'll click the download button. It will download the exe file. Click the download button. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click next. PyCharm will get installed in the following location: C program files. It will only take 2.2 GB. Click next. Some installation options are visible. Select create desktop shortcut. Also you can select add open folder as project. Rest keep as it is and click next. Click install. Installation started. Let's wait. It also created a desktop shortcut, not a problem. Let's wait. we have installed PyCharm. We can directly click finish here. Now let us open PyCharm, double click the desktop shortcut. PyCharm opened, click customize. From here you can select the theme. I'll keep it light. You can change the theme from here. From here you can select the ID font. From here you can select the language. I'll keep the default English. Let us go to projects here and now click new project. Now we will connect Python with PyCharm. First let us name the project. I'll name it Amit project. The path of the project is here. Now let us set the interpreter. Here it automatically detected our Python version. Okay, that is the following we just installed. So it automatically connected our Python version. Let us go to this path here. C, program files, go below, and here it is. Okay, it automatically took this path. You can check Python 3.13 and python.exe. It took the following path. That is the following. So it automatically connected our PyCharm. Now we need to just click create and our project will get created in the following path. We will see it later. Click create. Okay, so here is our PyCharm and this is our project. To enable the menu, click here and now you can see the menus. Okay. You can go to view and select main menu, show above main toolbar. Now you can see your menus are visible. You can later on change it if you want from here only, and you can hide it or show. I have shown it. Now let us create our first program. I'll close this, right click, click new and here select Python file. Now I'll type demo. When I'll press enter, it will automatically take the Python file. Press enter and here it is. Now let us print something. Here you can see the font is really less. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just go to file, go to settings. Here I'll go to editor, select font and here is the font. Let me set it to 16 and apply. Later on you can change it if you want. Print is a method in Python to print something. So this will print the following. File, save all, right click, run demo. It printed StudioPedia. Okay, so this is how we can run our first program. Let us see the path of this project. C users. It was in C drive, users, HP, and here you can see a folder PyCharm will be visible now. Here it is PyCharm projects. Here it is Amit project we just created and we have this demo.py file which printed the following. In this way guys we can install PyCharm. We also connected Python with PyCharm and ran our first program.